Today we are going to see the topic that is the logic gates, which is related to the digital electronics as well as for the students of the first year engineering in the basic electronics. So the logic gates, what do you mean by the logic? So logic is nothing but a reasoning. So you have to check what is the reasoning for the thing what you are going to have. Any logic like true or false, whatever the sentence you are saying, it is a true or false, that is the statement. Similarly, we have the logic here is zeros and ones. Since it is a digital number, digital system, so we have zeros and ones, the logic reasoning here. So 0 means false, 1 means true. Whereas the gates, you know, the basically gate which allows something to enter or exit. So this is what the gates we are having. So in this, the logic gates, the classification of the logic gates we have into 3 categories. One is the basic, another is universal, the third one is special. Coming to the first one, this is the basic logic gates. So basic logic gates, we have among this 3 basic gates: NOT, AND, OR. Then these are for the basic functions of any logic gates, any operations whatever you are performing in the digital circuit. Another one is we have the universal gate, which is used universally. Why it is called universal is, using this gates you can construct these basic gates also. No need of again getting the basic gate ICs circuits to construct this circuit. So directly you can take this universal gates, which are nothing but the NAND and the NOR. These are the 2 universal gates. Next is the special purpose gates. So we have the spatial application for the gates. So that gates are XOR, and another one is the XNOR gates. So this is the classification of the logic gates. So basic, universal, special, in which we have basic, NOT and OR, universal, NAND and NOR, and special purpose application we have XOR and XNOR. So this is the classification of the logic gates. So next class we'll see about how the basic gates are there, how they are constructed, how they are working, what are the truth table, symbol, equation. So watch our next video for the next lecture on the gates. So watch on the PACE Academy GLB. Thank you.